You see me? Righto, come on. Come and have a look at the gravy boat. So this is her. We got this boat, oh, what, about a year ago now, Cole?
Yeah.
Does us good, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yep.
I call this big flatty that's 48 centimetres in this boat.
Yep. So we're going for a fish today.
Yeah.
And Coldie's going to help us do some filming. We're at the Burnett River in Bundaberg. Let's get into it.
Yeah, let's go. Should I turn it off now?
Yep. Press the red button.
The red one?
Alright, jump in the car.
Yup.
Oh. We put the bungs in. Trying to forget that. Tide's running. Weird. Going along, Calty.
Yeah.
Hang on. So we're heading to your spot under the bridge, eh?
Yeah, that's what we caught thousands and thousands of catfish under there.
Yeah, but hopefully we can get something else today, eh?
Yeah, more like a rock pot or a flatty.
Righto. Burnett River.
You see our videos, we've had good times.
Yeah. So it's an old Quintrex 1972, so it's 50-year-old this boat. The engine is a two-stroke Johnson 35, 1983. We've added a couple of additions to make it a bit easier to fish out of, especially with kids. So we've got the Minn Kota on the front, which helps us just spot lock and holds us in place when we go fishing. And recently added a Hummingbird Helix 8. Sit down, please. Yeah, we also put a floor in the front, make it a bit easier for the kids. But she's a good old dry boat and does the job. Just poke around the river with it. So anyway, hopefully we can get onto some fish today. We're going to try the bridge, and if we can't get anything here, we'll poke back up to the port and give the boat a bit of a run and yeah, see how we're going. Yeah, 6 knots, we're out of that plane. She rides beautifully. Yeah. Hey? Yeah, they go come back and get it, they will. Who's your favourite YouTuber?
You.
Me? Who's your
Yes.
second favourite YouTuber?
Outdoor Boys.
Yeah, what about Brody Moss? You like him?
Yeah.
So what do you got from him? You got a couple of shirts from him.
Yeah.
You might just
And you got a fishing shirt from him that said Dad Bod Cod.
do. So I got a good. Oh, I definitely have a dad bod, that's for sure.
Or Dad Cod.
All right, well let's have a bit of a drop here, Colt. We'll get our rods out and
Yep.
have a go, eh?
night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up with a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me. The salty breeze and the waves, the slow pace, the salty breeze and the waves. No matter where I play. Yesterday we followed the road of the moon. We drove all day towards the coast. It remembered me, the beauty of this life. Such a feeling to be alive. The salty breeze in my lungs. And back to where I'm from. The salty breeze.
We didn't catch any fish, by the way,
So,
and we got some hits, and we're going to switch some spots and go for trolling. Hey, Dad?
yeah, we might go up and...
I'm going to get my trolling lures out.
Really?
I'm going to get my trolling lures out for bream.
Hang on, let's not do that just yet.
For bream?
Yeah, let's wait till we get to the spot first.
Yep. Okay. See you at the spot.
Salty breeze and the waves, the slower pace, the salty breeze and the waves. No matter our place. I want to live in an urban town. Like to see the boats leaving at the break of dawn. I want to live in an urban town, surrounded by the sea, my art is free.
What a beautiful day, Cole.
The salty breeze
Nice.
and the waves,
Absolutely magic.
the slow pace
Even more magic if we can hook up on a fish along this rock wall.
and the waves.
The old two-stroke's probably scaring them all away.
No matter I play.
I said the old two-stroke's probably scaring them all away.
Not one fish anymore.
Hey, been many at all, hasn't it?
The master of Fisher. Not catching any fish.
Master Fisher, can't get any fish. that brings us to the end of our little
Yep.
boat trip.
We caught no fish.
No fish, but that's okay. We had a good afternoon out on the water. We haven't had the boat out for a long time, have we? Haven't had it out all term, actually.
Who's it been in flood?
The river's been in flood.
If you're in Australia,
It's been raining.
it's been pouring your head off.
Yeah. So, anyway, so thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. That'll help us out. I want to get to that 1,000 subscribers soon. So, might do some more trips in gravy and hopefully.
And we might get some new videos like this.
Yeah, new videos like this. Alright, hopefully we get some more fish next time. It's a fairly typical fishing trip for us though, isn't it, Carl?
We got some bites and I got this big hit and then
Yeah. Alright, see you guys.
Another video.